Hey, so I'm going to make this super quick. I just had a remarkable experience with my Subaru Forester switch. Bought a new switch. Turns out it was not the switch that was broken. My seat was moving up and down. I could toggle these two guys, but not back and forth. So I knew there wasn't a fuse issue because I still had power to the seat. But then, lo and behold, I went under here and the motor cable was off. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to totally show you here, but the motor cable was right under the very front, and I'm probably not going to be able to see it all that well. I'm kind of an amateur at this, but anyway, I was fishing around like way under the seat, and it turns out that motor cable plugs in sort of in this direction. So the male motor cable plugs in towards the outboard, and it was just something that had come loose. But my seat was jammed all the way forward. I'm 6'4", I'm driving around with my knees up. The Subaru dealership said, no, we can schedule you in a week. No, I have to drive today. And there was some really nice kid there at the service center at the Subaru that came out and tried to fix me. But guys, let's focus on service and not so much on sales. I can't say enough about Main Street Motors right here in Ann Arbor. They came out and fixed it, like I thought, in 30 seconds. So Dunning Subaru dealer, shame on you guys a little bit for not just hooking up a Subaru driver. And again, I will definitely be coming back to Main Street Motors. It showed me how to fix the seat motor. Well, at least the wiring. Just plug in the darn wiring on my Subaru Forester. Okay, that's my post. Awesome.